morning, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Yours breaking news from Brazil. Yeah, apartment blocks and shopping centers sprout like mushrooms around a wildcat sanctuary that shelters pumas recovering from injuries suffered at the hands of mankind in Brazil's Sao Paulo state. The Mata Cilior refuge stretches over the equivalent of 40 football fields and just 90 kilometers, equivalent to 56 miles from the state capital Sao Paulo, Latin America's biggest metropolis. 25 pumas and 10 jaguars are receiving treatment at the center, including Badiro, a 5-year-old puma named after the semi-rural neighborhood where he was found caught in a trap made with a steel cal. Badiro is being treated for a deep cut to the hip due to the advancement of urbanization into its natural habitat. When the puma moves, it gets lost between roads, gated communities, and other human interventions. Matasillar President Gorga Balix told AB. As its habitat shrinks in step with human expansion, the puma is forced to move closer to settlements to find food, which may include pets and livestock. So, as its natural diet of deer and smaller wild animals get diminished. The big cats risks being run over by cars, electrocuted by security fences, or trapped in snares set by either hunters trying to catch wild boar or residents warding off predators. Some are poached for their skins or as trophies. If this continues, we will unfortunately witness the extinction of several animal species within a few years, said Belix, whose refuge has treated some 32,000 creatures since it was founded nearly 30 years ago. Behind this exclusive report, Glory Globe to be the liver.